welcome back to my channel. Today is Blackout Tuesday. I want to start off by saying rest in heaven, George Floyd. We are really saddened here in the US about the death of George Floyd, and it has really just shooken the nation. We have people protesting all across different countries and different continents and different cities and states here in the US, and it is just really shaking up the world. So we are praying for peace and justice for the George Floyd family. And now I'm gonna continue with my video. You guys, today I'm switching it up. As you guys know, you're gonna get some beauty, you're gonna get some wellness, you're gonna get some tea, you might, get a party. So today I have some of my hair extensions. Yes, from my hair extensions line, chateaurideau.net. If you want to shop, I actually have one of my boxes here as well. I just had realized that I had never got with my YouTube followers to kind of just really break down my hair extensions line and let you guys know why I'm the fastest growing hair business in the world. So anyway, that's Chateau Rideau. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and all of that jazz. So at Chateau Rideau, we do have two kinds of hair. We have virgin raw hair. Our virgin raw hair is Indian raw hair that has absolutely no chemical on it. However, we also have virgin processed hair, and both hairs are really good. Our raw hair is for the more high-end girl who wants to keep the hair for a lifetime, and our virgin processed hair is the typical hair that you see on the market. It's very hard to get a hold of true raw hair, but we do have it at Chateau Rideau. That would be our Rideau collection, but our Jazzy collection is the virgin processed hair that this wig is right here. This is a 613 wig, and usually people who are doing 613 wigs, it's just kind of temporary. Temporary meaning like a month at that, if you're going to do some color and stuff like that. So I didn't want to use one of my virgin wigs because my virgin wigs are super expensive. They're double the price. So I've got my Jazzy collection wig here, and I'm going to watercolor it today for you guys. I really hope I don't mess it up because this is my first time doing a watercolor, and I literally just watched some videos on YouTube. To all the YouTubers out there, shout out to you. But I've got my Got2b glue spray, and I have my wig. This is a lace frontal wig, 613 lace frontal wig, and I'm just gonna spray it. I've already sprayed it once, and I'm just gonna go over and spray it. They said to spray the inside of it so that the color doesn't seep through and it protects the frontal. So I'm gonna just do that. And I usually don't color the hair myself. My manufacturer actually can do a pretty good job at coloring. However, it's a very busy time for the manufacturers that are overseas. And then also with everything going on, I was just like, it's just for me. It's not like it's for a customer. So let me just do it myself. Because if it doesn't turn out completely perfect, then it's just me. I'll just pop on a new wig, guys. So I'm gonna blow dry it. Gonna blow dry it.
The new way. 1500. Yeah. That's
so it should kind of be hard, just a little bit from the Got2b glue. And the black threading on the inside is because I added a half a bundle to this wig. I really like my bundles kind of thick, so I was like, you know what, this wig is only 150 density. I should have got 180, but let me go ahead and just add a bundle. So it's probably over 180 now. So I'm just gonna do one more coat, and then I'll show you guys what's next. I've got my boiling water on the stove, and I've turned it off now, and I'm gonna pour it into a, what is it called? A plastic bucket, and then I'll show you guys what happens next. So, alright guys, I'm back, and now I have the dye. I have the Adore dye. I have the color Pink Petal. And I'm just going to put all of this color, the whole thing, inside of here. Hi, Jeff. Yeah, I'm doing the watercolor for YouTube. Hey guys, hope everybody is doing good. This actually looks really, really cool. I'm actually gonna be traveling tomorrow to Atlanta, and I know I love to see the color, I hate to do it, but I don't know, you guys, if it doesn't turn out right. I'm actually I do have a wig on backup in case it doesn't turn out right, because like I said, this is kind of an experiment. Okay, so see, I need two. You're gonna need 2 bottles for sure. You're gonna need 2 bottles. I'm also filming for my YouTube, guys. The whisk. Yes, I'm using a whisk. Everybody else just used like a spoon, but I had to bring out the whisk, honey. I said there's more in there. I'll be all right. So, kind of smells good. We need 2. Definitely gonna need 2. I have a girls trip this weekend, so I'm super excited about the girls trip. You guys stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a cabin girls trip this weekend. And first of all, it looks like somebody opened this. I hate that, but I'm gonna have to use it anyway because of course I waited till the night before my hair appointment to try to do this. So this is the watercoloring, you guys. The watercolor. Whoa. So I don't really know how it's gonna turn out, but we got to see.
Hope it don't turn out red. Oh, guys, I think I got way too much.
Fudge. I think I have way too much freaking water. I must have too much water, y'all. Not smart. This is not good. I have too much water. Fudge. Okay. Well, let's see if it still do it. Let's see. I'm not sure.
I hope it's not there for this, but we got to see. Okay. So, here we go. Just gonna comb it out a little bit. Alright. Here goes nothing. Alright, here it goes.
Hope I don't mess this thing up. This thing is really expensive. So on the videos, they just did that. Okay, and then they just did that.
No, it might work. It might work. Yo, oh my gosh, it's actually gonna work. Okay, I'm kinda shook. I'm shook, you guys. It's working. Who wants pink hair? So, I'm going to just submerge it and sit it here for about 10 minutes.
We'll give the people what they want. Okay. Get it all now. I just feel like this front part is still kind of blonde, but it's only been like literally 2 seconds. So. Okay, let's leave it there. Just leave it alone for just a little bit. Okay. leave it here maybe 5 minutes and see if that does anything. And once I blow dry it and flat iron it, I'll be back on here to show you guys what it looks like. Thank you, best. All right, y'all. I'm outie. I'll be back in just a few minutes.
Okay guys, so this is my watercolor. As you can see, some of the line kind of just turned a lighter pink color, but I think I'm gonna like it once I blow dry it because I was really going for that pastel pink kind of color, not a real deep dark pink. So I think I am successful with the watercolor. I'll show you guys what it looks like once it is flat ironed and blow dried. Yeah, let me give you guys a. Ooh, I think it turned out well, guys.
Okay guys, this is the finished product and I'm definitely happy with the results. I just blow dried her. Blow dry. Yes, inches. So I'm pretty excited. Some of the blonde kind of, it will still seep through, but it's kind of coming through as light pink, so it's not bad at all. Yes. It's gonna look so good. So good. Finished her. Literally, the watercolor is the craziest, coolest thing I've ever seen. And once she's styled and everything tomorrow, it's gonna look so good. Did it all by myself. But you guys do know, in case you don't know, I do have my cosmetology license, so I can dib and dabble into the hair game just a little bit, but I don't do any of the modern day stuff. So yes, but I know how to follow directions when it comes to an easy color. Yes.
It's that new wave. 1500s. Yeah.